Is there another planet that's very close to Earth, kind of like us, where there could be a civilization? Yeah, I mean, the closest star system to us, Proxima Centauri, actually has a fairly Earth-like planet around it. We don't know quite how Earth-like it is, but it's called Proxima b. Is there another planet that's very close to Earth, kind of like us, where there could be a civilization? Yeah, I mean, the closest star system to us, Proxima Centauri, actually has a fairly Earth-like planet around it. We don't know quite how Earth-like it is, but it's called Proxima b. The James Webb Space Telescope has revealed something horrifying on Proxima b. Signs of chaos and destruction no one expected. But now new data shows it's anything but safe, raising chilling questions about what's really out there. Could this be a glimpse into our own future or something even darker? Let us uncover the shocking truth about Proxima b that is driving Earth to the brink of total collapse. Proxima b, the closest exoplanet to Earth, orbits the red dwarf star Proxima Centauri, just over 4 light-years away. This super-Earth has intrigued researchers since its discovery in 2016, primarily because it lies within its star's habitable zone. This means conditions might exist that could support liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. However, recent observations from the James Webb Space Telescope have painted a far more complicated and alarming picture. Unlike Earth, Proxima b is tidally locked, meaning one side perpetually faces its star while the other is in eternal darkness. Initially, scientists theorized that advanced life forms, if present, could have developed technologies to transfer energy between the day and night sides, perhaps using solar panels or artificial lights. It was an exciting notion until Webb sensors began picking up some unexpected signals. Using its incredibly sensitive instruments, Webb captured faint but unusual light emissions emanating from Proxima b's dark side. These signals bore striking similarities to the kind of artificial light humans produce. While it's tempting to conclude this is proof of alien technology, the reality is far more complex and perhaps more frightening. Scientists analyzed the patterns of the light and found irregularities that don't align with natural phenomena like volcanic activity or auroras. If these emissions are artificial, it suggests the presence of a civilization that is at least as advanced as ours. However, what kind of society would thrive under such extreme conditions? More importantly, what else might they be capable of? Proxima b's environment is no paradise. The red dwarf star it orbits is known for violent solar flares, which could strip away a planet's atmosphere over time. These flares bombard the surface with intense radiation, creating a harsh and unforgiving landscape. Yet, if there's life there, it has likely evolved to withstand or even harness these conditions. This raises unsettling questions. Could such a civilization view Earth as a resource or haven in comparison to their hostile home? If they've developed the capability to survive on Proxima b, how advanced might their technology be? Adding to the intrigue, a narrowband radio signal resembling the type used in Earth's communication technologies was detected coming from Proxima b in 2021. This was no ordinary static. It carried a specific frequency that hinted at its artificial origin. Although further analysis has yet to definitively confirm its source, the possibility that it's a message from an intelligent civilization cannot be ruled out. What's particularly unnerving is that the signal didn't just appear once. Subsequent observations revealed recurring patterns, almost as if the source was trying to establish contact. But are they reaching out in peace, or could this be something far more sinister? As scientists dig deeper, the implications of these discoveries grow increasingly ominous. The potential artificial lights on Proxima b's dark side suggest a level of technological advancement that could surpass our own. If these lights are indeed from a civilization, what's their purpose? Are they merely a means of survival or do they signify something more? Magnetic fields are everywhere in space, but their role is often unclear. How do they influence star formation or galaxy dynamics? We know they're important, but the details are elusive. Cosmic magnetism, like Earth's magnetic field protecting us from solar winds, could play an essential role in sustaining life or shaping planetary atmospheres. Yet its origin and evolution remain poorly understood. The mysteries of planetary systems also challenge us. Why do some have hot Jupiters, gas giants orbiting perilously close to their stars, while others, like our solar system, have a more orderly configuration? The diversity of these systems forces scientists to rethink their theories with every new discovery. Pulsars, the rapidly spinning remnants of dead stars, are some of the universe's most precise natural clocks, yet their behaviors, like sudden glitches in rotation, remain unexplained. Even the Milky Way itself holds unanswered questions. What lies at its heart besides the supermassive black hole Sagittarius A*? Could there be other phenomena like dense clusters of dark matter, influencing its structure on a larger scale? Anomalies in the cosmic microwave background, CMB, such as unexplained temperature fluctuations, suggest there's more to the story than we currently understand. The ultimate fate of the universe remains one of the biggest mysteries of all. Will it expand forever, gradually cooling into a heat death? Could it reverse into a big crunch or oscillate in an endless cycle of big bangs and collapses? What role do dark energy and quantum phenomena play in this future? These unanswered questions highlight the vast potential for discovery. Indeed, as we delve deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos, each answer unveils even more profound questions. This iterative process of discovery and curiosity is the essence of scientific inquiry, driving humanity to push the boundaries of understanding. Lastly, the human role in the cosmos is itself a profound question. From crafting artificial stars and fusion reactors to potentially terraforming planets, humanity is beginning to shape cosmic processes. What responsibilities come with this power? How do we balance exploration and preservation, curiosity and caution? The cosmos, vast and mysterious, is both our origin and destiny. Each step we take in understanding it brings us closer to understanding ourselves, our purpose, and our potential as a species. The journey itself is as inspiring as the destination. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to our channel Digital Discoveries for more exciting content. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends and family to spread the knowledge and fun. Your support means the world to us and helps us create even better content for you. Stay tuned for more amazing discoveries.